Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Wi-Fi not working, not connecting, slow internet, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to general management, tap here. Go down, go to reset, tap here. Go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here. See the message, this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After this reset operation, you can go back, then connect to a Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot, then check Wi-Fi connection. That should work. This way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Please check it.